Hello and welcome to a podcast on health insurance. We can never be sure of what our future beholds. Insurance acts to shield us against events and uncertainties that are mostly unforeseen. Health insurance is one such essential component inherent to our health and financial well-being in future. The fact that medical emergencies can strike at any time without prior warning makes it imperative to have a health insurance policy in place. Be it an accident or a sudden illness, having a health insurance cover will ensure that you are financially equipped to pay off the bills on hospitalization and subsequent treatment. If you are still wondering why you must buy health insurance, let us move forward to know the role of health insurance in financial planning. It is of utmost importance that you must have adequate health insurance cover to tune of at least rupees 1 crore. To discuss the issue, we have with us Nandish Desai, an author, blogger, and financial coach. He's the co-founder of Jago Investor, one of the most loved and trusted blogs in the personal finance space. Jago Investor was started in the year 2008 and today more than 6 lakh investors have been benefited. Nandish has also authored personal finance book named 11 Steps to Achieve Financial Freedom and a book on sales for training consultants. Welcome to the show, sir.
Thank you, Anamika. Thank you for having me in your show.
Hi, this is Anamika and welcome to Financial Vaccination, a podcast that guides you through various steps to a financial secure future. Today, we are going to discuss the reasons for which you must opt for a healthy insurance plan. If you are concerned about your finances and wish to know how they would shape up in future, know that no personal finance plan is complete without proper health insurance. This program is brought to you by Manipal Cigna Health Insurance. Welcome to the program. So today we are going to discuss on the topic the role of health insurance in financial planning. Why you should consider 1 crore health insurance. So in this episode of podcast, we'll start by discussing the first and the foremost reason for which you must buy health insurance. So reason 1 is, according to you, how buying health insurance helps in financial coverage.
Yeah, so I always see health insurance as a foundation level action in anybody's financial life. So if you want to build a 10-story building, I think the first and the most important step would be building a strong foundation. So health insurance it creates a very strong foundation for any investor, and it's the most important step any investor would take. So because it is a foundation step and it helps people to save a lot of money, like they're equipped to handle any kind of medical emergency. And I think in last 1.5, 2 years, we all have realized the importance of health and the importance of health insurance. And health insurance, I think it's not just about health insurance, but it also protects your wealth in a way. Because if you're not properly covered, then in 1 second or 5 seconds, you'll have to pay a huge bill of any hospitalization expense. So it's the most important action for any investor, and they should not move forward, till their health insurance is not in place.
So moving forward with the second reason that we are going to talk about is high inflation. That how buying health insurance help in high inflation.
Well, see, as I said, like medical expenses are rising in India, and it will continue to rise. And inflation is something which will never retire. It will retire one day, but inflation will not. It will continue to grow and expand. So in this kind of scenario, it is very important to have a higher cover. Like talking about, my experience of working with investors, like pre-COVID, we used to tell people that if you have a 15, 20, 30 lakh cover, it is okay. But after the whole episode of COVID, we always encourage our clients and readers and investors to take a higher cover because it is extremely important.
The third reason I think is the major and the most important reason, and that is affordability. So how buying health insurance helps in affordability?
Okay, so if you apply some simple strategies before buying a health insurance, then people can have higher cover and they can also save on the premium. For example, if they go for a base policy and then add a top up to it, then the premium will also come down, and they can also have a higher health cover. So with the help of a base and a top up, they can go with a 40 lakh, 50 lakh or a 1 crore cover. And trust me, like when people will actually check the premium, it will be very, very affordable for them.
Absolutely, absolutely right, sir. Moving forward with reason 4 to buy health insurance is how helpful is buying health insurance for our lifestyle changes.
Uh, See, I think the way people live their life, like there are so many lifestyle changes that have happened in last 1 or 2 years time. So, see, our chances of maybe dying or meeting with an accident has reduced, but then our chances of going to an hospitalized has drastically increased. So I think in last 1.5 2 years, everyone has realized that health is our true wealth, and we need to make a lot of lifestyle related changes. And whenever I talk to my clients or readers or investors, I ask them to focus more on health than the word health insurance, because health is our true wealth at the end of the day, and majority of the diseases that we get are generally, because of our lifestyle or, not taking care of ourselves. So health insurance should be part of our life. We should cover ourselves in such a way so that we can handle any kind of health breakdown or any such medical emergency. I hope that answers your
Yes,
question.
yes, absolutely, absolutely correct, sir. So while buying health insurance, we also get tax benefits. So my next question to you is that how buying health insurance help us in tax benefits?
See, so there's something that I keep telling to all my readers and investors, that you have to save tax, but then save tax meaningfully. Meaningfully, if you save tax, it is good. So health insurance, when you pay the premium, you are actually saving tax meaningfully. So whatever money that people are spending on health insurance, the best part is you get tax benefit up to 25,000, and there are, based on the age of parents and their own age, they can avail up to almost, 1.5 lakh kind of tax benefit on it. So all the investors, they should spend this money on health insurance and life insurance and other such important insurance related actions. And there are manifold benefits in it. Like I was just talking to one of my clients just 1 hour back, and he told me that I helped him in buying health insurance 2 years back, and just 1 month back, his wife was hospitalized, and the entire money was reimbursed, and he was really so happy. And I was just telling him that health insurance, in sometimes we feel like, am I wasting my money? But then you really see the rewards after 2 or 3 years, or when you are in a difficult situation.
Yes, yes, absolutely correct, sir. Absolutely, sir. Health insurance zaruri hai. This should be the basic mantra at this period of time which we are going through. So my next question to you is how buying health insurance helps us in falling back on cover.
See, I think the first focus of any investor should be on having a proper health cover. Like first handle the hospitalization expenses, and then if they have extra resources or if they have extra money, then adding riders is absolutely fine. But I think the first and foremost action should be covering the health, covering the hospitalization expenses, and these riders are available. They will, in fact, they strengthen the policy. So if they add riders, it will, they are adding more benefits to their policy, and in certain scenarios, these riders also play a very, very important role.
Well, that was a lovely insight to have a word with Mr. Nandish Desai to shed some light that why health insurance is so much important in one's life.
Thank you, Anamika. Thank you so much for having me in the show. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. So you heard that health insurance zaruri hai. The role of health insurance in proper financial planning cannot be negated. Moreover, this aim must be to opt for an adequate cover amount to the tune of rupees 1 crore. This is because an adequate health insurance cover gives you much needed peace of mind and keeps you and your family clear of financial The benefits of buying health insurance are many and myriad, which you may make use of depending on your need. At the end of the day, it matters if you have substantial health cover to meet rising medical expenses due to inflation. Those aiming for a better life must ensure to include a health insurance policy in their financial portfolio. Stay protected, stay healthy is the mantra of healthy longevity. After all, health है तो life है.